Hey, OJ here. It's cooking time. A little different now. Not coffee time, it's cooking time. Today we're going to make some barbecue ribs. Nothing fancy, just some side ribs. And we had them the other day and they were to die for. That's my newest thing, to die for. I've got some spicy rub here and some normal rub. Deb can't do spicy anymore, so that leaves more for me and Danica. Just whatever spices you guys like. It's nothing special. The last time I did them, I used Cabela's baby back rib. That's a good one. There's a lot of good rubs out there, but this is just my rub. I use this liquid smoke. I don't have a smoker, but maybe someday. We just put a couple drops on here. And then we're going to rub this in. And then my W sauce is my favorite, barbecue guy says, but Worcester sauce. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on here. Just a little binding sauce in here. So this one here, we're just going to put a little bit of this on there. Anyways, we're going to let that sit for 15 minutes and then we're going to flip them over and we're going to do the other side. Just kind of rub it in a little bit. So you can put more on, you can put less on, it's totally up to you. And now we'll let it sit. We'll have a coffee and we'll flip it over to the other side. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes now, so I flipped these over already. Some people take this little membrane off the back. I never do. Mine usually fall off the bones anyways, but this time I've cut in between each and every rib. So we're just going to put the binding agent on here again, on both of them. Just a few more drops of this smoke. The more drops you put in here, the more smoke taste you're going to get. Whoops, maybe a little much. And I'm going to rub that around a little bit underneath this, on there. So now we're going to put some more of this rub on here. And if you hear some snoring in the background, no, that's not Deb snoring. That's my dog Harley. He's a snorer, alright. You almost think he trained under me or something. Kind of a freight train myself. So we're going to rub this on here. Get some stuff underneath there too. On there. Woo-hoo. I can hardly wait. You can tell I get a little bit. I like food. I didn't get this size for eating vegetables all the time. Anyway, get this all on there. Then we'll let them sit for a bit here, and then we're going to pop them in the slow cooker. Since they're talking snowstorm here coming up in a couple days, and it'd be a good time to try this out. Anyways, we'll let that sit, have some more coffee, and we'll be back in a few minutes. So now we've let these ribs sit for 15 minutes. So now we're going to take them. Some people will cut them up and put them in here, but these ones are called standing up ribs, and they do a stand up job. So I'm just going to take them and pop them in the slow cooker here. So they just stand in there like that. And they're just in there like that. And we're just going to power this thing up. We've got her on high. We've been cooking these babies up here for 2 hours now on high on our slow cooker. Before I take them out of there, I put a little layer of brown sugar on the bottom, and just a little bit like that. And I lost my tongs. Oh, my handy dandy assistant helping me there. She's also my camera girl. Okay, these are the spicy ones. Gonna roll them over there like that. And more brown sugar. Okay, now I got dogs at my feet. And you know what? We forgot to put the onions and garlic in the oven, because you guys know how much I love garlic. So I'm gonna put a little bit under there too. Okay, and garlic.
Open it up.
Save those ones for the other one. We'll have to open the other one up. So I'll just wrap this one up here now. Oh, barbecue sauce. More barbecue sauce. Yep. Of course, when I'm doing a video, I run out of barbecue sauce. But I was prepared, and I have another one here. Okay. Now we're going to wrap this one up. There. Now I'll put this one on the bake sheet, and we'll put them in the oven. And there, I'm fogged up. Now we're going to put them in there at 350 for about an hour. Okay, we're back now. They get in the oven for about an hour, 2 hours in the slow cooker. You could take them and eat them like this, but one more step. A little more barbecue sauce. And it all depends on how much barbecue sauce you want. And then there's those whole garlics, remember I was talking about? Oh my. Those things are so good. Oh. Woo. Now we're going to take these now, and we're going to pop them back in the oven. And we're going to have, I've got my oven set on broil, on high, just for about 5 minutes. All this brown sugar here, it'll caramelize. It's probably more than enough. So now we're ready to put them in the oven. And 5 minutes from now, we'll take them out and then we'll all enjoy. Grab a coffee. Oh my. There. Done to perfection. There's OJ's ribs. We're just going to cut one of these up here, and we'll show you what it looks like, and then we will have a little taste test. So here's what we ended up with: OJ's fall off the bone ribs. Look at that. Nothing stuck to that. Nice and well cut, well cooked. And my audience is at my feet here. Oh my. These are better than last time. No knife, no fork. Just use your fingers. Swap it all around. It's all good. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time on OG's Cooking. Bye for now.